In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of uncoiling and bending elements, a crucial step when installing new elements in both quad and front-loading kilns. In our standard easy-fire kilns, each individual element will encircle the kiln ring once. In comparison, our equad kilns have elements that are double the length and will encircle the kiln ring twice, requiring precise turns in the element wire. These turns involve uncoiling the element to reach the upper or lower channel and then twisting it back in the opposite direction. All LNL kilns are built to order, and these element turns are done at the time of assembly, making them somewhat unique to your specific kiln. For this reason, when replacing quad elements, you will need to add these turns yourself. Just like in our easy-fire kilns, you will begin the installation by threading one of the element tails through the kiln wall and terminal block. Gradually feed the element coils into the holders until you reach the bridge on the opposite side of the kiln ring. Firmly grasp the coil at the point where it exits the element holder and start uncoiling. For elements made of thicker gauge wire, pliers may be required. Generally, a few turns should be enough to extend the coil to the necessary length. Twist the element to reverse its direction. Next, use a pair of needle nose pliers to create a 90-degree bend at the end of the coil. This adjustment ensures the element remains clear of the firebrick. Without the 90-degree bend, the element will contact the firebrick between the two channels, preventing the coils from sitting snugly. Feed the element all the way around the second channel until you arrive at the bridge again. Repeat the uncoiling and twisting process, returning to the first channel. Continue feeding the coils until you reach the through hole. Thread the other element tail through the kiln wall. For front-loading kilns, the bending process is very much the same but with different turn locations. This concludes our video on uncoiling and bending elements for quad and front-loading kilns. We recommend watching our other element-related videos for information on the rest of the element replacement process. Remember to stay informed about future updates by visiting L&L's website at hotkilns.com.